Everyone, today our discussion topic is, should communication skills be equal importance to academic subject? In my opinion, yes, communication skills is given equal importance to academic subjects, because academic subjects gives knowledge, and sometimes it is necessary for personal development and success. It gives knowledge, and it increase our learning skills, learning capacities, determination, discipline, time management, etc. uh, Education is important for exam, higher educations, and uh, higher educations, and for our careers. Education knowledge alone is not enough. Communication skills also necessary, because without communication skills we are not able to express our ideas clearly and confidently. Communication skills helps students in presentation, in group discussion, debate, public speaking, in work team also. It is important. It improve good relationship with workers, colleagues, managers, and all. Communication, if sometimes if the peoples have if the people don't have good communications, that time they are not able to understand them clearly and confidently, and that time they also not understand. Sometimes if people understand wrong, that time they perform their work as well. And if we will perform wrong, then our impression will be affected. And if people go to for interview, if the people attend interview, that time they have enough knowledge, but they are not able to express their idea clearly and confidently, then that time they may be lost good opportunity. Therefore, good schools and colleges should focus academic and communication skills. Academic teaches us how to know, and communication teaches us how to express, how we know. So as my opinion, both are necessary, that's all.
I think communication skill should be given equal importance to academic subjects. Academic subjects give us knowledge, and through education, we learn what we want to do in the future. Uh, if we study well, we can achieve anything in life. Uh, life we should focus on skill too, but first we should give first more attentions for education, because education is the foundation in the future. Good communication good communications good communication um, good communications help us speak confidently and many school has provided both communication and skills, academic subjects and skills, so both are important for success.
In my opinion, um, communication skills should be given academic to importance subject, because uh, we have a academic knowledge, but it is not enough for us. we need to communicate with people with people uh, and uh, 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 we we communicate with people we gain knowledge ideas and for our job opportunity and success uh, academic subject and communication skills both are important
I agree with you. In my opinion, both are important. Academic academic subject gives us knowledge, but communication skills gives us confidence. If you know communication skills, you can achieve your goals. And if you have communication skill, give us a get good job. Okay, I'm forgetting something.
Yeah, my point of view is communication and academy both are important nowadays, and academic give us knowledge and build your career, and but communication is nowadays most important. Every person's important, every person you go anywhere, talk to people say, but people say different state, that time you feel the hesitate, don't talk to people say, that is a big problem is communication. But you have lot of knowledge in communication, easily face the issue and easily talk to people. And also nowadays facing problems, I am facing problems and go after few days and go I goes guy I I went गए थे I went give the one interview that I'm facing. I have lot of knowledge in technical, but I am feel hesitate and don't share ideas and describe the topics. That time I don't select. That is big problems. But I will try. I speak, and my point of view, people communication is most important. You have lot of knowledge in communication, you achieve everything. And you also college and schools and any sectors, communication is important, and both are my point of view is both are important. Yeah.
You have some become well problem, combination problems are no problem. We just start with the class, right? Continue.
In my opinion, communication skills give importance equal to academic subjects. Academic subjects gives an knowledge, but communication gives us express our knowledge, and also communication gives us team building and achieve our goals. So academic and communication skills are both are two wheels of bicycle. So both are necessary for a success life.
Yeah, successful life.
Successful.
Yeah, nowadays in communication skills is the most important in our life. We want to practice when we are in schools. The schools principals should conduct a communication skills with the students. Then that time the student will be grow slowly. Then we completed his education. They can crack easily any job or any interview. Having government jobs, they can crack easily with the help of communications. Having too much of knowledge, it's not a problem. It's not a issue, because having, for example, you have a lot of knowledge, but you don't know how to convince the people, how to communication with the client. When you speak continuously with fluently, you can crack a interview. Communication is the most important in our life. Nowadays having too much competition in our life. For example, having IT worker, IT companies, government jobs, non-IT also. We want to spoke spontaneously within English only. This is my opinion. Communication is the most important in our life, in daily life.
Yeah, in my opinion, both are important. Academic subjects are given the knowledge, but the communication skills give the express and use the knowledge. So therefore, both are the important, like equal to give us the equal importance.
Both are
Equal importance.
So you have got a problem of parts of speech, confusion about noun and GT word.
My point of view, communication skills and academic subject both are equal. Academic objects give the knowledge, and communication skills express our knowledge, and communication skills helps us job opportunities and career growth, and people confidently speak in front of other peoples, and communication skills helps in interviews and workplace. Both are important in my point of view.
Communication is a process of sharing information, thoughts, and feelings to other people in a way that they can understand. Communication include 4 parts. First one is listening. How to explain the ideas to others clearly, and second, listening, understanding what others say, and third, writing, expressing our thoughts through writing, and the last is body language, like gestures, facial expression, and eye contact. I believe communication skills have to give equal importance as academics, because in academic subject we gain knowledge, but communication helps us to express that knowledge to others. I realized it personally when I was in high school and colleges. We thought our subject in English, but they never thought how to communicate in English or how to express our thoughts or knowledge to others. When I came to Bangalore to study engineering, that time I realized that many students speak in English confidently. That time I felt unlucky because I cannot able to communicate properly. So that time I realized that communication is more important than academics. I believe communication skills have to give as much importance as academics.
In my opinion, communication skill should definitely be given equal importance academic subject. While academic subject give us knowledge, communication skill give us how to use in real world. So I strongly believe both are important, but when we don't know how to communicate other people, that time our academic subject means academic knowledge totally waste. So communication skill needs everyone for every situation. When we go to interview, when we bought some material, and everywhere need us communication skill. That time also communication skill help us to how to use academic knowledge, and how to any when we start any business, any project, anything, that time we strongly use this academic knowledge with the communication skill. So I believe both equal important, strongly believe should be give equal importance, should be given equal importance, academic subject with communication skill. That's it.
In my opinion, academic projects and communication skills both are important in our lives, because academic project give us to academic project and academic projects to give us to understand the problems, how to solve problems and face their challenges, and build our career. But communication skills give us to knowledge to express our ideas, thought and knowledge. It also help us to build our career growth and crack interviews. So that is why important to communication is our daily life.
In my opinion, yes, communication skills should be given equal importance to academic subjects, because communication skills helps us gain knowledge, but if we don't know how to communicate with others, that time we can't do anything. But if we communicate clearly, confidently and effectively, that time they can achieve success. In academic subject prepare us for examination, and examination book is knowledge also, but if we don't communicate, if you don't know communication, that time maybe you lose many opportunities, because nowadays people have a good academic marks, but they can't do anything. Why? Because many companies do not hire only academic marks based. They also look good communication, and also good communication, teamwork, and also how to handle any situation in confidently, effectively, and in the right way. So communication is very important, because academic marks is important, because academic marks is foundation, but communication is bridge that connect with knowledge for success. So in my opinion, both are equal importance in everywhere, because in also school, college provide communication subject in also school. That time many students learn many good skills, learn many new things.
that time communication skills when the communication skills become people successful. That's why communication skill is very important. Yes, sir.